In this video, I'm going to show you how to trim video in Flixier. First, open your Flixier project and make sure your video is already placed in the timeline. Once the video is in the timeline, move to the place where you want to trim the clip. Select the video clip and move your cursor to the very end of it. When your cursor reaches the edge, it will change to a trimming icon. Click and drag the edge of the clip toward the left to shorten the video. As soon as you release the cursor, the video will be trimmed to the new length. Trimming in Flixier is non-destructive, which means you can also restore the trimmed portion if needed. To do this, move your cursor back to the edge of the clip and drag it outward. You will see a transparent section appear in the timeline, indicating the original length of the video, and you can extend the clip back to recover the removed part. If your timeline contains multiple clips, be careful when extending a clip because it can overlap with another clip on the same layer. When this happens, only one clip will be visible. To avoid this issue, fully restore one clip first, then move or re-add the second clip to the end of the timeline so they do not overlap. And this is how you can trim video in Flixier.